Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for the first half ng November 1 to 15, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong promo, 25% discount sa buwan ng November. Ayan, kung kayo ay magpaparead, private reading. Yung information, yung link kung paano mag-book for private reading ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's up? What's up, Capricorn? First half ng November. What's coming? Okay. Bottom of the deck, 5 of Pentacles. Nako. Pwedeng may financial challenges yung iba sa inyo rito. Parang may pinagsisisihan kayo about your spending. Kung meron kayong napagkagastusan. Kaya, pag-isipang maigi, no? Kung saan nyo dadalhin yung pera nyo. Lalo na yung may mga bonus na dyan. Oo. Wag basta-basta na lang na yung ano yun, bugso ng damdamin. Tapos pag uwi mo, bakit ko ba nabili yun? Diba? Magsisisi ka. Oh, Champion of Swords, kailangan mo muna pag-isipang maigi ang mga desisyon mo pagdating sa pera. Minsan kasi, alam mo naman kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo. Pero may mga times na agad-agad nagde-decide ka. Tapos, medyo huli na yung lahat pag na-realize mo na oo nga, no. Minsan kasi pinipilit natin yung hindi pa talaga pwede. Okay? You have the Three of Pentacles. This is growth in your finances, no? So, kung kayo may business, trabaho, career, may pag-unlad. Oo. Pero kasama dyan yung talagang hard work, pagtatrabaho. You have the Hermit. So, you are reassessing your situation. Gusto mo ngayon na mas makilala yung sarili mo. Gusto mong makita kung saan ka nagkulang. Ano yung kailangan mong i-improve. Oo. You have the Emperor. So, this is energy ng Aries na someone na merong control sa kanyang sarili. Minsan kasi, akala natin, we are in control. Pero, hindi pala. Minsan, nakokontrol tayo ng emotion natin. Okay? So, I think that is something that you're going to work out. Merong good news na parating sa inyo. Pwedeng matagal nyo nang hinihintay, darating na. Oh my God. Yes. So, this can be money. Pwedeng pera. Oo. Or, an opportunity na hinihintay nyo matagal na, darating na siya. This is it. Yung iba sa inyo offer siya. Can be an offer for a business, job, career, pwede ring relationship, no? Kasi ang overall energy nyo ngayon is the Lovers. The Lovers is also about decision making. So, pwedeng may decision ka which path to take. Okay? Bagong, saang negosyo, business, ganon. Major decision na gagawin mo. Kaya, I feel like may kinalaman to sa sa career. Oo, kasi ang career, money, finances, 7 of Cups for you. So, may confusion dito. So, kailangan pag-isipan mong maigi yung decision mo. And then, yung iba naman, relationship. Maaring papasok kayo sa bagong relationship or you are parang ile-level up mo yung connection mo with someone. Kung dati wala kayong label, ngayon may label na. Oo. Or yung iba, pwedeng ma-engage kayo. You have the Champion of Wands. Ayan. So, this is your challenge. Meron kayong mga plano na hindi nyo nagagawa. Bakit? Parang may pumipigil sa inyo or parang yung iba, medyo parang tinatamad. Oo. Pwede kasing may mga distraction sa paligid ninyo na parang iniisip nyo na, ay, ito yung gagawin ko, or ito, pero sa kakaisip mo ng kung alin yung gagawin mo, wala kang nasisimulan. Okay? So, that is something that you need to work on. And, itong Champion of Cups is, your opportunity na malaman or maramdaman kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Kasi yung iba, akala nila gusto nila yon, pero hindi pala, kasi nai-influensyahan lang sila ng iba. Okay? Can be a job, a business, career, or even relationships. So, ito, i-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? 'Di ba? Ano yung gusto mo? Para dun ka mas makapag-focus. Okay? Especially in whatever you want to do in your career, business, and your finances. Kung saan mo gustong dalhin yung trabaho mo. Okay? Your blessing is the world. Wow. I feel like may mag-open na opportunity sa inyo outside of your comfort zone. So, syempre, paano mo malalaman kung anong mga opportunities na yan kung hindi ka umaalis sa comfort zone mo? 'Di ba? Oh. So, ayun na. You have to explore your other options kasi marami kang options. And this will also lead you to achievements. Meron kang success dito, may ma-achieve ka. And also, meron ditong chapter na nag-end sa buhay ninyo. This can be a chapter for your career. 'Di ba? Parang meron tayong parang libro siya na may first chapter, second chapter. So it doesn't mean na natapos na yung book, yung libro. Ibig lang sabihin nun, the chapter ends and there's another chapter na nag-open up for you. Ayan o, pinto siya, door of opportunities. And itong snake na to, this symbolizes transformation, change. You really have to make that change. And minsan ang change ay uncomfortable. 'Di ba? Kaya nga iba ayaw ng pagbabago kasi hindi siya komportable sa una, pero dun ka lang makakakita ng pagbabago talaga. Ng transformation. Kapag meron ka ng binago. Oo, 'di ba? Dun papasok yung ibang options, opportunities, experiences. So, for your money, career, finances, ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, 7 of Cups. Some of you are confused. Some of you medyo nag-aalinlangan sa isang trabaho, business, or career na sinisimulan nyo na or parang you are already in. Okay? So, you really have to choose which path. Kung saan ka mas interesado, andun yung love mo, yung pagmamahal mo, yung interest mo. Your love life, 4 Pentacles. So, ngayon, ang focus mo is kung paano mabigyan ng stable na pamumuhay ang iyong family. Okay? Stable finances. Some of you, maaring meron kayong plans of, having a new home, a new house, para may pinag-iipunan kayo for your family. Dahil you want to move to a better place. O, diba? Tignan nyo, Uranus change. May pagbabago. Yung iba sa inyo rito, Capricorn, this is unexpected change. 12th house, oh my God. Meron ditong, meron kayong madidiscover about yourself na hindi nyo akalain na talento nyo pala yun, galing nyo pala yun, abilidad nyo pala yun. So, it will be revealed to you. You also have energy ng Virgo. Someone na very analytical, pinag-iisipan ng kanyang mga kilos, ang detalye. So, magiging maingat rin kayo, Capricorn, sa decision making ninyo. May mga bagay na hindi na kayo interesado at iiwasan nyo na yon. Ayan o. Meron kayong kailangang tanggalin na pumipigil sa inyo to move forward. And I feel like there is someone who's going to help you with that, no? This can be a romantic partner, loved one, or someone na very supportive of what you do. You're very close to achieving your goal, Capricorn. O, ipagpatuloy mo lang daw yan. Believe in your good luck. Wow. Alam nyo, meron dito talagang unexpected na change na dun mo marirealize na wow, talaga palang pwedeng mangyari sa akin to. Ganon. Oy, your dreams need a practical plan. So, ito yung energy ng Virgo na kailangan practical ka sa pagpaplano mo, kung paano mo to gagawin, paano mo sisimulan, if that's a new business, a new career, or a new project. Make it practical and realistic kasi eventually makikita mo yung progress niyan. Okay? Kasi minsan yung iba nasa isip lang nila, masyadong parang sinasabi nila yung suntok sa buwan. 'Di ba? So make it realistic and practical kasi eventually you will see results right away. Okay? Just believe in your good luck. May mga goals ka raw na maa-achieve mo na. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.